Mom, I'm going to Anil's house for group study and will come back after some time.
Okay, my child, but apply mosquito repellent on yourself so that you are protected from their bite.
John did not listen to her mother, did not put mosquito repellent on himself. So friends, let's see what John is doing now. John is on his way to Anil's house and the fountain water is stagnant where mosquitoes have breathed in it and few mosquitoes have bitten John. So my friends, always keep the surrounding clean and keep replacing water time to time. Now let's see what have happened to John.
John, you are looking so weak. My John, just rest for a while and we'll take you to a doctor.
Next day, John has come with his mother.
Doctor, my child is not well, so please see him.
He is bitten by a mosquito and the symptoms say he is having dengue, but I cannot confirm it without. Malaria dengue is caused by mosquito bite, so always prevent yourself by using mosquito repellent like mosquito coil, creams, instant vaporizer refill, fabric roll-on, wristbands, a net, etc. You all want to know what have happened to John. He is fine. Our supported team has taken good care of him and he is resting in his bed using mosquito net. Thank you.